guys, welcome back to my channel. So I got my 23andMe results the other day and I wanted to share them with you guys. I shared them with my family first just so we could like go over it and talk about it and everything. So now I'm gonna share them with you guys, which is super exciting. So I did the test, I got it or whatever, and I spit in the little container thing, sent it in, and it took about a week and a half to get my results back. You get them via like email. They send you an email and let you know, and they kind of just keep you updated throughout the process, like of what they're doing, how they're testing your DNA, and then you get everything back. So I got back my ancestry as well as health. So I thought that was really cool that they do health. So I'm not going to share that stuff because that's just really not important to you guys, but I did want to share the ancestry part with you guys because I thought that was super cool. So if you guys can't already tell, I am 78.3% West African. So it says sub-Saharan African, which is super, super cool. Oh my gosh, you guys. So I mean, obviously I knew that I was going to be African or black. I am a black woman. So I knew that was going to be the case, but it's super cool to just have that breakdown and know like where you come from, where your ancestors come from. So I'm going to read to you guys everything that's here and then also display it on the screen because I can show you guys digitally as well. So I am, it says 78.3% sub-Saharan African, which I knew. I didn't know it'd be 78.3%, but I knew it'd be something. So I am 59.6% West African, 23.2% Nigerian. So I guess I'm Nigerian mostly. I am Ghanaian, Liberian, Sierra Leonean, which is 14.9%. Senegambian and Guinean, I think that is Guinean, 5.2%. Broadly West African, it says 16.2%. Congolese, Southern East African, 13.3%. And then it just breaks it down. It says Congolese 9.7%, Southeastern African 0.7%, broadly Congolese and Southeastern African 2.9%, African hunter-gatherer 0.3%, Northern Eastern African 0.1%, and broadly Sub-Saharan African 5.1%. So the other 20% is European. Obviously, because of the slave trade and everything that went on with slavery, most of us are going to be a certain percentage of European, most of us African Americans. So I mean, this is all like kind of expected, but for me, I am 20.3% European. I am 18.4% Northwestern European. British and Irish 11.4%. United Kingdom, it says French and German 2%, Scandinavian 0.1%, broadly Northwestern European 4.8%, Southern European 0.1%, broadly Southern European 0.1%, and broadly European 1.8%. And then the 1.1% that I am is Chinese and Southeast Asian, which is really funny because most people think that I am part Asian, which is really, I guess because of my eyes, you know, just being the way that they are. So maybe that like 1% is what's showing up in my face. My sister has super, super, super Asian like eyes. So does my mom. If you look at like my aunts and people on my mom's side, they all have these like almond, like slanted eyes. So, I mean, it could be that 1%, who knows? But clearly I'm only 1.1%. Native American and East Asian. So I'm going to break down the East Asian. It's very, very, very small. Chinese and Southeast Asian 0.6%. Indonesian, Thai, I think that's Khmer. Myanmar 0.2%. Broadly Chinese and Southeast Asian 0.4%. Northern Asian and Native American 0.5%. Native American 0.4%. Broadly East Asian and Native American 0.1%. And then there's an unassigned 0.3% that came up that no one pretty much knows where that is. So I thought that was really, really cool. Oh wow. It tells you. I didn't know it went into generations. I didn't see this part. So I will read that on a later date on my own so I can understand how that goes. But still, this is super, super enlightening. So I will say a lot of people I know, like family members and stuff, had some doubts about the test being accurate, but it is totally accurate. And the reason why I know that for sure is because of the health. When I had read different traits I carry and genes that I carry that for different diseases and stuff, it's actually super accurate because I have 2 family members that actually have the diseases that they said I carry the gene for on my mom's side. So, and we were all trying to figure out how they got these deficiencies and diseases. So clearly our side carries the gene for them. So it is super accurate when it comes to health and where you're from. So I highly recommend this test. I mean, I knew that I was going to be mostly African because I am an African American woman. I did have, on my mom's side, I think my grandfather was mixed, like half black, half white or something like that. He died when I was really young. I don't really know if he was half black, half white, or if his father was white, or what the case may be, because I never met his father. And my grandfather on my mom's side, obviously, he passed away when I was like 5. So I don't really remember, but there is some white in there. Some European genes. I knew that was going to come up. So I am 20% European and 78% West African. So super exciting. Maybe I'll take a trip over to Nigeria because that's what it said. I was mostly Nigerian and some Ghanaian and Sierra Leonean, and I don't remember the other one. But yeah, so it's super cool. I wanted to share my results with you guys. I thought that was like the coolest thing ever. I've been obsessed with it for days. I've literally been calling like every family member, sending it to all my friends, like, guys, guess what? I'm Nigerian. And everybody's like, what? So yeah, I mean, how fun is that, right? I highly recommend that you guys try this test out. It's super cool. I'm gonna put a link down below because when you take the test, it gives you like a referral link that you can put in if you want to email people and stuff like that. So if I can, I'm gonna put it underneath this video. This video is not sponsored. 23andMe did not pay me to do this. I was given the kit, but I was not paid to do the video. So I just wanted to kind of put that out there. I tried it out and I am super happy with my results. My family are all now going to take a test because they all want to know like what they are. So I just wanted to share it with you guys. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions about 23andMe, leave a comment down below. And yeah, I'm going to go and share some more of this information with my family because I just saw something that I didn't know was on here. So that's cool. So I'll put the 23andMe link underneath the video, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.